What is up, you guys? I will be showing you how I did this seamless hairline and lay to give you that wet lace effect in this video. So make sure you watch the whole thing. Also giving you a little bit of a review on this hair. Just sit with me and check it out a little bit, okay? All right, girl? Get this look. I'm gonna teach you how to do it. And we're jumping right into it. You need your wig. Pull that wig back. Make sure you have adjusted it to your head where you're going to lay it. The glue I am using is Erica J's Hold Me Down. This is my favorite. I use this on every install when I actually glue my wigs down, okay? Clean the area with alcohol that you plan on laying your wig down. The first thing that you see me spraying it here is the skin guard. Make sure you get the whole set of this glue in her collection. For the best results, you need the skin guard, the glue, and the glue remover, okay? So right here, I am adding one thin layer of this glue to the area where I put my skin guard. You're gonna lay that right on top of there. Thin layers every single time. Do not put thick layers of glue on there. Also, this spatula does come when you buy the whole set. I am stressing, buy the whole set. Once that glue has dried clear, you're going to go in with another layer, and you're going to do this 3 to 4 times if you want a great hold and you plan on wearing this wig for a couple of weeks. Add 3 to 4 layers, okay? After your layers and the glue has dried clear, we are going to put the lace down in there. Now typically I don't like to lay it down with my fingers, but because this wig had already come pre-cut, we are just gonna sit that down in there and press it a little bit with our fingers. Just make sure your fingers are clean. Make sure your fingers are clean and dry. If you want to be extra cautious, spray a little bit of alcohol on your hands, let it dry to dry up a little bit of those oils, because sometimes the oils from our fingers can mix with the glue and we won't get that great hold that we are looking for. So make sure your hands are clean. All right, but just lay that down to the areas where you have laid your glue. And if you're very picky like me and you're a beginner, make sure you map out the hairline of your wig onto your head, because as you can see, this hairline is a little bit different. So make sure you put a little bit of marks on your head. I didn't do that because I've been doing this for a while, but if you are new to this, once you lay that wig on, mark out the shape of that wig so you know where your glue goes. Now right here, I'm going back through and combing those hairs back, making sure no hairs are laid up under the lace where I've laid it down in my glue. Also moving my hairline into the direction that I want it to go, because I will be putting a band on here. I did not show that in this video and I am sorry. But yes, after you have laid this down and made sure that you have no hidden spots where you didn't put any glue, which we're going to go in and do that, you are going to lay it down with a comb. As you can see, I am not satisfied with where I laid this part of my lace, and I just picked it up a little bit and pressed it back in. But yes, comb those hairs back in the direction that you want your hairline to lay, so that when you lay that band, it'll be laying perfectly. After your first initial lay and you have moved that hair back, you are going to go through and see where you missed any spots where any glue didn't touch, but you still want to lay them down. Now this will take a little bit of time, so make sure you are being very patient. Put you on some music like I did, vibe out a little bit, and just take your time when it comes to this. Now you see me just adding glue to those little bit of areas that are sticking up. Make sure you do this because this prevents your lace from lifting all the way around. Check the corners, check the front, check every single portion of your lace around that hairline to make sure it's laid, because if you want that wet lace seamless look, everything has to be glued down, laid down beautifully. Comb it back, see if anything is pulling. Just don't pull it too much, because you can get those ripples in the front and you don't want that. Again, I am still going through combing my hair from out of that glue part and also moving it backwards so that I can put on my band. For ultimate results, leave that band on for 30 minutes to an hour. So we zoomed in. Okay, hold on. We're gonna bag up a little bit. Let's back. So we are not going to waste any more time. We are going to get right into this video. So with that being said, what's up, you guys? It is me, Tanisha, and I am back with another video. Hey, girl. Hey, y'all. Y'all already know. Y'all already know what time it is. Y'all already know who is doing all of this. Y'all, let me introduce her, because I came on here with her. Let me introduce her to you guys right now. This right here, her right here, this is a Luvme hairs. Let me do a hair flip real quick, because listen, it wouldn't be right without a hair flip. It wouldn't just a few hair flips. That's what we got to do when it comes to a wig like this. Okay, this is Luvme Hairs Supernatural Hairline Silky Straight 13x4 PreMax wig. Y'all, I'm gonna just go ahead and tell y'all right now, I give this wig a 10 out of 10. We're gonna start there, and I'm finna get into why I gave it straight off the bat, because y'all know I do pros and cons. Ain't no cons. None whatsoever. I'm finna tell y'all why I give it a 10 out of 10 right now. Right now we getting up close and personal, because let's talk about this hairline. Now, I know it says that the wig is glueless, but because it is a 13x4, I wanted to go ahead and glue her on just for extra security, because that's my prerogative and it's my business, and we're gonna mind our own business, okay? But let's just get into this hairline. This hairline came like this, straight out of the box. Came like this. Now I will say right here is where my hairline starts. Right here. Just my little sideburns are the only thing that is out. The widow's peak, how it is shaped, all of that is exactly how it came out of that box. No lies at all. The wig was already pre-bleached straight out of that box. Pre-cut straight out of that box. Pre-everything straight out of that box. Everything was done when I pulled it out of the box. All I did was slap this wig on my head. I haven't even flat ironed it yet. I haven't get into how silky it is. We close. We got to get up close, because we got to see what is happening here. This is phenomenal. Phenomenal. Off the bat, a 10 out of 10. Now, if you want to be extra and pluck a little bit more, you can. But I am just loving the way that they constructed this hairline. Because look at that. Y'all know the hairline of Legos is eating the girls up right now. And for those of you who do not know how to just pluck that out or just carve out a widow's peak with this wig, you don't have to. When I say I did nothing but glue her down. Took her straight out of the box, glued her down. Now, I know I told y'all before in 2025 we was going to customize. But Luvme Hair said, haha, joke's on you, because you don't have to. Listen, y'all. I know y'all a little close up, but y'all gonna love it here. This right here, this, and then you can just part it. If you want to do a style in it, you can do a style and just part. And anyway, 13x4, you're going all the way across your hairline, all the way across the front. Anyway, you want to part it. Like I always say, you're gonna get what? Scalp. Part it. What? A scalp. Part it again. What? Giving scalp. Anyway that you part this wig, you will get scalp. Anyway, so if you want to do a cute little style, you definitely can do that with this wig. If you just want to leave her like this and just let her look natural in her whole form, you can do that. That's why she has a 10. 10 out of 10 when it comes to this wig. This wig is soft. This wig is manageable. This wig had barely any shedding. And I'm staying up and close and personal because I want y'all to see. I want y'all to see this hairline. Y'all, I am in awe. I have been getting compliments on this wig all day long. I had to stop my video after I put this wig on and go get my children. I have been getting compliments. Compliments on this wig all day. All day. So this wig is 22 inches. 22 inches for me stops right here, right at my breast. I am 5'4". I am not a tall girl and I don't have a long torso. So this wig is 22 inches. So if this is long enough for you, this is a little bit longer than what I like, but I still like it. I still would rock it because it's just suiting to the simple fact that this is silky straight. Now, it's not too thick, it's not too full, it is just the right amount of density for a comfortable wear. This wig is really, really light. I am not having any troubles with it. I am not having any headaches. The only thing that I did have to do is cut my lace from my cap just a little bit, but that's normal when a cap is created like this and it's not the other versions of the cap that we like. But this, all in all, I'm just feeling this whole thing. Again, this hairline, the way they created this hairline to make it ultra realistic is everything. So for my beginner girlies, if you don't know how to do lace at all, you don't know how to bleach, you don't know how to plug, you don't know how to style, you just want something that you can glue down, and even if you don't even want to glue it down, you just want something that you can put on and just go. Now I do recommend, I will say that I do recommend either getting you a glue or getting you a glueless spray to hold this wig down. But if you don't have any of that, there is a way around that when it comes to tightening the bands to your wig. It may fit a little bit differently from this, but there are ways around it, okay? I done manipulated my wig, so I can't show you that, but you can definitely wear this wig glueless if you like. Again, I prefer you glue it down, but if you don't know how to do that, this wig is just, it's everything. I just love the softness. Like I said, I didn't pull out my hot comb or flat iron or anything, and this wig is just eating. It's eating the girl, so it's I don't know what else to say. I'm in love with this one. This one may stay on for a couple of days, and y'all know I tell y'all a lot, I do not wear wigs overnight, but she is gonna get worn overnight. She's definitely not coming off right now. She's not. She looks too good. She looks too good. She does. So again, this is Luvme Hair's super natural hairline, silky straight, PreMax Glueless wig, 13x4, 22 inches. I'll show y'all the back so y'all can see how full the back is. I don't have much to say about this one. This one, she speaks for herself. She does. She does speak for herself. So this is what she is giving in the back. This is the length of the back. This is the shine. This is the density. This is everything you need to see when it comes to the back of this wig. This wig has definitely caught me by surprise. I had procrastinated on doing this wig. I was actually going to style this wig because I felt like I had done it before, but no, she's not getting styled. She's staying just like this. Just like this. We are not going to manipulate her at all because she is doing her thing as she is. I do a little flip over just like that. But if you do decide that you want to curl this wig, or you want to do a little style, you can do all of that. You can. But as far as everything else, what else do you need to do? What else do you need? Nothing. You need nothing. 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 You need nothing to make this wig look good besides you. You. That's it. Wear the wig. Wear the wig. Don't let the wig wear you, okay? All right. Y'all, I'm not going to do too much talking. That's it. That's all. All I'm going to say is go get this wig. Go get it. And if you were wondering what I glued her down with, Erica J. Your wig ain't going to go nowhere. She going to hold like no other. They're going to ride you like a warrior. Your man can pull her. And she ain't gonna go nowhere. I ain't paid to say that. I'm telling you. And don't cheat yourself, okay? Do not cheat yourself. Get the whole entire set. Get the skin guard, get the glue, and get the remover so you can get her off. Because it's going to be hard to get Miss Girl off after you use these correctly. Use them correctly. She has plenty of videos on her channel. She has a YouTube, Erica J. But I digress. All the information to this wig will be in my description box, so make sure you check that out. Make sure you use that coupon code because we like to save a little coin over here. So save yourself a coin. Go to that description box, click that link, use that coupon code that you see down there. That's it for me. That is all. I am out of here because I look good. I'm gonna go out. Thank you all for watching. That is it. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.